In the previous video, I will give some idea about introduction to paleontology, and on this video, I will discuss or I will give some basic idea about what is fossils and how they are formed. Okay, I hope you all enjoy it. Then first of all, I will start it with the literal meaning of fossil. So literally, what do you understand? What is a fossil? Literally, you understand that fossil means obtaining by dig up. That means anything from the earth's surface extracted or obtained by dig up is called as fossils. Okay, so if I set the actual definition of fossils, then according to Lamarck, fossils are the remaining part or remaining mark of plant and animals that lived a very long time ago. That means the remains of plant and animals. Long time ago means what? These organisms have existed on the earth's surface in the prehistoric time. That means the fossils are the remains of plant and animals. Which animals? Which have existed on the earth's surface in the prehistoric time. ओके जो ऑर्गेनिज्म और जो प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स हमारे प्री हिस्टोरिक टाइम में अर्थ सरफेस में एग्जिस्ट कर रहे थे, उन एनिमल और प्लांट के रेमनेंट्स को हम फसिल कहते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद दे आर मेनली फाउंड इन केस ऑफ सेडिमेंटरी रॉक. Okay, because in case of igneous and metamorphic rock, due to the extremity condition means what? The high temperature and high pressure, in which condition fossil cannot exist or fossil cannot sustain. Okay, they will destroy. That's why fossil only found in case of sedimentary rock. So what things become fossils? Both animal and plant become fossils, and also their parts and traces like track and trails, burrowing activity, then their footprints like these footprints, and animal dropping. Animal dropping mainly consist of the excreta of animals. Just example, the cropolites is the excreta of animals, mainly in case of vertebrates. Okay, so these things also become fossils. Not only animal and plants but also their traces and their parts become fossils. How fossils are made? Fossils are made from the hard part of plant and animals. We know that in case of organism there are two parts are present, hard part and soft part. In case of hard part, bones, teeth, देन बार्क हो या फिर स्केलेटल हो, तो वो सब हमारा हार्ड पार्ट के इंक्लूड जाता है. तो सॉफ्ट पार्ट में क्या आ जाता है? सॉफ्ट पार्ट में हमारा स्किन हो या फिर मसल्स हो या फिर टिश्यू हो, वो सब सॉफ्ट पार्ट में आ जाता है. ठीक है, सो वी नो दैट व्हेन ए ऑर्गेनिज्म डाइड, देन if the organism came in contact with oxygen, then gradually decomposition started because oxygen is helped to decompose. Okay, so after the decomposition of soft part, only hard part is present. Yes or no? Hard part is present, but the hard part does not easily decomposed. Okay, that's why the hard part become a fossil, not the soft part. But in some cases the soft part become fossilized, mainly in case of in some favorable conditions, like if the organism preserved in case of ice हो या फिर amber हो, तो at that time both whole organ, both hard part and soft part, totally the organism become preserved. Just example, in case of amber, अगर amber में कोई भी insect हो या कोई भी organism हमारा इन्वॉल्व होता है, तो both soft part और हार्ड पार्ट टोटली ऑर्गेनिज्म ही प्रिजर्व हो जाते हैं. और इन केस ऑफ आइस अगर हम लेते हैं आइस को, तो आइस में अगर कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारा प्रिजर्व होता है, मेनली पैलियोक्रिस्टिक आइस मतलब इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फॉर्मर ग्लेशिएशन फॉर्मेशन. ओके, तो अगर पैलियोक्रिस्टिक आइस में किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का प्रिजर्व होता है, तो वहाँ पे बहुत हार्ड पार्ट और सॉफ्ट पार्ट का प्रिजर्व होता है, ना कि ओनली हार्ड पार्ट का. ठीक है, तो इन सम फेवरेबल कंडीशन सॉफ्ट पार्ट प्रिजर्व, बट मोस्टली हार्ड पार्ट बिकम फॉसिलाइज्ड. So now we discuss how fossils are formed step by step. Okay, so normally it is very rare for the living things to become a fossilized. Okay, before it I just want to say that what is fossilization. Fossilization is the process in which a organism converted into fossils, so we can say that a fossil will form. Okay, so these are the fossilization process I will discuss. So usually after and most animal dies, the body is just rot away and nothing is left. So how even under certain special condition a fossil can form, just like this. After the diet of an organism, there must be a rapid burial occurs. Then where the rapid burial occurs? Mainly, if the organism died near the river or seas or lake in the watery region, then at that case mainly rapid burial occurs, because when a organism died near the sea due to the action of water, mainly burial occurs, rapid burial. That's why a organism does not came in contact with oxygen, which prevent the decomposition. Okay, so after an animal dies, the soft part of its body decompose and leaving the hard parts, okay, like the skeleton. This becomes buried by a small particle of rock that is called sediment. Okay, in the second diagram you see, as more layer of sediment build up on the top due to the overlaying weight of the sediment layer increases, the organism which buried inside it become compressed or formed rock. Here lithification process occurs, because due to the overlaying increasing of overlaying strata, gradually compaction and cementation process occurs. That's why the sediment, just like mud or sand, become surrounded the bones and skeleton of that organism and compacted into and formed the rock. Okay, and when the bone started to dissolve by the seeping of water inside the rock, then gradually what happens, the mineral present in the water become recrystallized inside the dissolved part of the bone. Okay, then and the gradually these mineral replace the bone and leaving a rock replica of the original bone, that is called as the fossils. Because first what happens, first burial animal is buried, then second was upon the animal there are different type of sedimentary layer formed. Due to the formation of sedimentary layer, overlaying weight is increases due to the increase of overlaying weight, then gradually the fossil become compressed, okay, and form a rock. And when the groundwater passes through the rock and dissolve the bone, then gradually the mineral present in the water precipitated inside the bone and replace the bone and form a replica of that original bone, that is called as the fossil. This dinosaur is very cute and it said that it's not just animal and plant remain that can be fossilized. He said that only animal and plant are not fossilized. Okay, their footprints, I already told that in the third slide. Okay, not only animal and plant but also the traces and their body parts become fossilized, just like their footprints, burrows, eggs and poo, called coprolites in case of vertebrates. Okay, that is the excreta of animals. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.